Isang mabagyong araw pa rin dito sa Vietnam. Hello everyone, it's another day and another vlog. It's day 14 and officially our third day here in Da Nang, Vietnam. At dahil sobrang malakas pa nga rin ang ulan sa labas, we spent the whole morning just chilling and doing laundry with the kids. Dito na nga lang din kami sa loob ng hotel nag-lunch with a 50% discount ng aking anak. Usually, sa bandang hapon, medyo humihinto naman yung ulan. So this time, we're visiting Son Tra Marina. Ito yung parang Greece ng Da Nang, Vietnam. They serve food here at saka mga coffee, ganon. So pwede ka magkape-kape while enjoying the view. At syempre, hindi natin papalampasin ang araw nang wala tayong dose of relaxation. So this time, we're having a massage here at Maha Spa with my daughter naman this time. Pupunta sana kami sa night market kaso ang lakas ng ulan kaya yung driver namin dinala na lang kami para matikman namin ang authentic pho at authentic banh mi. Ending the night with a very nice food trip, trying authentic Vietnamese food. O, ang ate nyo talaga naman puro na lang kain. So, yun lang muna for today. See you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching!